Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to earn USDT in Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to do, the first thing that you need to have is the Binance verified account. So if you haven't already created your account on Binance, make sure to create one. Now once you successfully created your account once you have successfully logged into your account that you have created already, just have to tap on the Assets tab in bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Over here on this page, you're going to see the overview of coins or USDT that you have. So we'll tap on Spot in the top, and here you will be able to see the number of USDT that you own. Now over here, need to make sure that your funding is in Spot Wallet. It should not be in Funding or Earn or any other options that are given on the top. So once your USDT in this spot, you will have to tap on USDT, and here you will be able to see the option of Earn USDT APR up to 7.25%. So you need to tap on this option, and it will redirect you on the next page. Here, tap on Go to Earn, and it will take you to the page where you can basically stake your USDT, and you can earn USDT in return. So here you will have to again tap on USDT option, and now it will ask you how much amount of USDT you want to stake. So can select it as maximum, or you can even enter the amount as per your convenience. Afterwards, you need to tap on the Confirm button in the bottom, and this way your USDT will be on the stake, and you're going to get 7.25% on that USDT, meaning that you are able to earn USDT with the help of your existing money. So that's basically how you can earn USDT in Binance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.